I wanted to talk to you about cultured meats. It's obviously a very hot topic right now. A lot of people are interested in it. Tell me, what is cultured meats? What does that mean?
Well, actually, it's a very interesting topic to discuss. We are all very excited to be in that business specifically because it's a very interesting alternative to produce proteins from a cell-based cultivation. So within the alternative protein production, which is a very interesting field in the food technology, if we think of cultivated meat, it means that we are producing meat of different animals. It can be beef meat, it can be fish, it can be pork, so different type of meat from a cultivation from a cell cultivation in bioreactors. So this, of course, it's something changing the way we consider nutrition globally, of course, because it's a new frontier and it's something which we are experiencing in this moment.
It truly is. It really is becoming very popular. I mean, I've seen here, there's a lot of people investing in it. We see it in Israel, the US, throughout Europe. A lot of people are interested in this topic. And it's because, essentially, it's a huge way to mitigate environmental impacts of farming. I mean, essentially farming these days, a huge amount of land mass is taken up for the cows themselves, the environmental impact of the methane those cows produce, and any animal really. So this is a way of essentially creating those meats without having to harm the animals. You'd effectively take a biopsy of the animal cell from the muscles, put it into a bioreactor in an environment which is nutritionally rich and beneficial. You want the right pH, you want the right temperature, the right dissolved oxygen for these cells in the bioreactor to effectively split, multiply, and then from the bioreactor itself you'd separate those cells, and eventually in the manufacturing line you'd turn them into a meat. Is the desired end goal of this, isn't it? That's where we want to get to.